Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to yet another video. Today we've got for you eggplant curry, and as you can see it's raining outside. It's beautiful, it's evening. So without further ado, let's just head over to the kitchen and I'll see you guys over there. Okay, so it's time for the ingredients. Over here we have eggplant. Now this is 2 medium-sized eggplants chopped up into pieces. This is 1 potato chopped up. This is over here we have tomatoes, we got chopped up garlic, we got some chili or pepper, and we have about 2 onions worth of pieces. Now here we have 1 egg, we have jeera, whole jeera. Now for the spices, we got turmeric, we got jeera powder, we got sugar, salt, we got asafoetida or hing. We also have oil, and that's about it. Okay, so that was it for today. I hope you guys had a lot of fun in this rainy evening cooking eggplant with me. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.